Okay, so this is just a quick video to show you how to set up VAT for the first time if you've just become registered and how to check your settings. So if you click on taxes from the left hand side, you'll get this message: let's set up to collect and track VAT. So click up set VAT and it says start calculating the VAT from, and you choose your start month. This will be advised by HMRC on your VAT certificate. So for example, we're now in June, so I'm going to say it's from April. And what frequency? A lot of you will be quarterly, but some of you may be on monthly or annual returns. So I'm just going to choose quarterly. And there's standard or cash VAT accounting. If you've not been advised otherwise, it'll be standard. If you have any queries, then let me know in regards to VAT schemes. We can have a chat. Again, the flat rate scheme is a particular special one, so you can click that if you are on the flat rate scheme. If not, don't tick that one. Just click next. It says now I can add VAT to your transactions. Just click OK. Okay, I won't be able to do this at the moment because I'm not, obviously this is a dummy company, but once you're making tax digital enabled, you can click that and it will connect to HMRC. I'm just going to click no for now, as I won't be able to connect with a dummy company. Okay, and then you've got your first bit open here. Now on the side, you can go edit VAT and edit settings. So if you need to change any of this, you can do. And you can also do edit rates. I wouldn't do this if unless you've got an accountant or other qualified person to do it. But the main ones that you'll want will be 20% standard, Z and exempt, which are the main VAT rates. If you do need any others, then maybe get in touch with me and we can have a chat about it. But that is it. And then the next module is about submitting VAT returns. See you on the next module.